Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to walk you through how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. So the first thing to do is to make sure you open the Binance app or the Binance website and sign in into your account. Then from there you have to go to P2P section. So for you to do that, tap the trade and select the P2P. Then in the P2P screen, tap the more or the main icon, then choose apply to be a merchant. Then after that, you have to make sure your account has a complete KYC, phone verification and email verification. Then after that, you have to submit application. Fill in your personal or business details and your trading experience and security settings. Then you have to upload the required documents such as your ID, proof of address and proof of trading volume. Then after that, you have to read and accept the Binance P2P merchant terms and conditions. Then tap submit and wait for Binance to review your application. So once approved, your account will be upgraded to a P2P merchant account, and that's how you can easily create a Binance P2P merchant account. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button, subscribe for more videos.